Hey there! Let's learn a new word together. Before you start, please hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe to this channel if you're learning English. Stay up to the end of this video and you'll learn a fun fact about the English language. Let's begin.
Charm. Charm means power or quality of delighting, attracting, or fascinating others. For example, his charm has captivated the media. His charm has captivated the media. Synonyms: attractiveness, beauty, glamour.
Awesome! You learned that quickly. Let's put it in some sentences to understand how to use it.
The first exemplar. It was full of delight and exuberance and charm. Now, repeat after me. It was full of delight and exuberance and charm. The second exemplar. Your charm will attract the attention of the opposite sex. Now, repeat after me. Your charm will attract the attention of the opposite sex. The third exemplar. It is a Victorian house of great charm and character. Now, repeat after me. It is a Victorian house of great charm and character.
Now let's learn an interesting fact about the English language.
The word alphabet comes from the first two letters of the Greek alphabet, alpha, beta.
Thank you so much for watching this video up to the very end. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're new to our channel, the links to our most popular playlists are below in the description. We've prepared playlists for different levels of English, and they're good for different goals that you might have. Maybe you want to take an exam, or maybe you want to improve your fluency. So check them out and see you very soon. Bye-bye.